Alright y'all, welcome back. It's been a few days since I've done anything for y'all. I was checking the weather this morning. It's gonna be terrible here tomorrow. So I thought I'd put together some footage today. I've got a little footage left from a few weeks ago that I didn't use anywhere, so I'm gonna not let it go to waste, and I'm gonna put it in this video somewhere. I've got some blades that broke, just one in the video, but I'm gonna let you see that important piece of information in that clip I want everybody to see. We're going to cut one baits out of this old pine. It's going to be a little bit of blue in it. I cut some yesterday. It wasn't a bit of blue in it. But they look terrible, but they're good and solid, making pretty boards. Don't mind my drop cord hanging back here for my lights. I hadn't got those finished up yet. These orders is more important right now. I need to get them done. When I get caught up, I'll hardwire my lights into them up there in the ceiling where I can just flip my switch on. But they seem to be doing good. I mean, it looks bright. Let me come look at the camera and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks okay. You can see all my junk anyway. I don't really need them today, but I know it'll help the video quality out. But I'm opening this log up, make a few cuts. I'm going to have to change blades here soon. These 7 degrees, when they start getting dull, that's the end of them. When they go to getting dull, you need to, first sign of dullness on a 7-degree blade, you just well go ahead and change it so it's through. A 10-degree or some of those others, you can keep clipping right along with them for a while, but these 7s, they're finished. I'll make one more cut here and I'm going to have to stop sleeping this. Alright, I'm going to stop it right here. I'm going to insert that clip from last week about the broken blades. So be sure to stay in there and watch that. I'm gonna finish cutting this can up in the boards off camera. Like I said, y'all watch this clip about the broken blade, and if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. All right, we had a little mishap here. Look what we got. A broke band. First one in a while. And this band was put on brand new. Ran it about between 30 and 45 minutes on. It was still cutting good and gave no warning whatsoever. It just exploded. But I know they'll make it good. If I ask them about it, they'll make it good. Usually I just go on about my business. But that one broke. It broke right in the weld for sure. A lot of times I'll break them. They'll break like right here in this gullet, or the gullet over here. One or the other of the sides, but that one was right in the weld. So we may get us a new one. We may just throw it in the scrap pile. Still haven't took this band out of here yet, so we'll get it out here now. I can get back to work. Tangled up. This one wasn't too bad. But I do want to show, so I just seen this. I'm gonna take my camera out and show y'all something. See those fingers down there? I see a lot of people on Facebook especially wanting to cut those out because they'll clog up with sawdust in there and bark and whatnot. That right there is why you don't want to cut them out, because they stopped that blade. You see, the blade was going that way. Those fingers done their job. They're there for a reason. Wood-mizer didn't just put them there for looks. That's why they're there, is to keep that band in the housing and off of you or anybody standing around over there, which they shouldn't be standing there no way. But yep, it caught it. Just one-handed. See, it hit it with some pretty good force. See where it bent it up. So yeah, that's another one for the scrap pile. Lay it out here out of the way so I don't get tangled up in it. And I'll contact Wood-mizer sometime about getting it replaced. I may run the rest of that box out and see how many more break. Hopefully none. If no more breaks, I won't worry about it. But if there's several more that breaks, we'll get them to replace them all at one time. I just flipped those belts of the last blade change, so I'm not going to worry about those right now. All right, I got a new band out of the box. Let's go down here and put it on. I usually change them at the other end, but I'm down here and I don't feel like moving. wind is brutal today. Yeah, we're back in business now. We get back to sawing. Been kind of a slow day here. Started out, I had a big day planned. I went to sawing and the band broke. That just ruined my whole morning. All right, I'm gonna reposition y'all somewhere and get started. All right, that's gonna do it for today. That clip from the other day with the broken blade that I entered in this video, it had a little sawing footage at the end of it, so I just left it on there. Today's filming was kind of short, trying to get as much sawing as I can get done today because it's gonna be nasty tomorrow, and I don't know if y'all can see or not, but the rain is on its way. It's gonna be here anytime from the looks of it. It's supposed to rain all night, all day tomorrow, and the wind's supposed to blow real hard. I guess it's gonna test out my canvas that I put up the other day. Hopefully in the morning it'll still be there. But that'll do it for this one. I thank you all for watching. If you hadn't subscribed, go do so now. Um, I'm gonna try to get another video out, maybe 2 more before Christmas. But the holidays is hectic for everybody, I know. So if I don't get anything out between now and Christmas, I want to wish y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next one.